Hello and welcome to the SJSU Writing Center's video tutorial on our scheduling site, WCOnline. If you are interested in our tutoring appointments, you've come to the right place. We will go over how to register, schedule, join, and cancel a tutoring appointment. For our virtual appointments, we will be using Zoom. Please ensure that Zoom is installed on your computer before scheduling. Feel free to jump to a specific section by selecting the corresponding chapter in the video progress bar or the chapter list. First, we will go over registering for WCOnline. If you haven't used our WCOnline scheduling site before, begin by visiting sjsu.mywconline.com. Once you're on the site, you can register for an account here next to First Visit. Use your SJSU email and fill out the form accordingly. Once you complete the form, you will see this text box here. Or, if you have already tried to sign in, you will see that your account is deactivated. Check your SJSU email to activate your account. After activating your account, you can sign in to view tutoring appointment slots. Second, we will go over scheduling a tutoring appointment. You will be brought to this screen once you sign in, where you could view the appointment slots for the week as well as the names of the tutors. Using the drop-down menu here under Schedules, you can choose either an in-person appointment at our location at the MLK Library or an online appointment via Zoom. The color of the slots indicate their status, which can be seen when clicking on Area Tools at the top right, then clicking Help. White slots are open, yellow are your own appointments, faded blue are unavailable, and red are taken. Click out of the box or Close to exit this window. If you scroll down to Display Options, you will see two drop-down menus. If you want to find a specific tutor or a graduate-trained tutor, you are able to filter the appointments shown in order to do so. So, if you want to meet with a tutor that you have worked with in the past or need help on graduate-level assignments, this is a helpful tool to use when signing up for appointments. Now that you understand the meaning of each box and decided on a tutor, you can find your desired time slot in white and click on it to open a window. Here, you can find info about the tutor you selected, as well as a form that you must fill out to specify what part of the writing process you need help with. Fill out the required questions accordingly and click Create Appointment at the bottom of the form once you are done. Your appointment should now appear as a yellow slot in the schedule. After scheduling an appointment, you will receive a confirmation email that will include appointment instructions and policies. A few reminders when scheduling for an appointment. You can only book one appointment per day for a maximum of 2 per week. 3 for AEC and graduate students upon email request to writingcenter@sjsu.edu. You are free to book an appointment same day as long as it is 10 minutes prior to your desired time. The calendar will advance by 1 day every day at 9 p.m. Standard Time and 10 p.m. Daylight Savings Time. If there are no desirable slots available, try waiting until these times. Third, we will go over joining your tutoring appointment. After scheduling your tutoring appointment, your appointment slot will be highlighted in yellow. When it is time for you to join your tutoring appointment, click on your slot to open a new window. Here, you will find a highlighted link in your tutor's description box. Click on it to join your appointment. If you scheduled an in-person appointment, it will take place on the second floor of the Martin Luther King Jr. Library. Please ensure you join no more than 10 minutes after the start time. If you join 10 minutes after the start time, you will be marked as missed. Lastly, we will go over canceling your tutoring appointment should you decide to. If you would like to cancel your appointment, click on your slot to open it. Scroll to the bottom to find the option to cancel your appointment and click on it to confirm. If you are unable to attend your appointment or believe you are going to be more than 10 minutes late, remember to cancel in advance to avoid being marked as missed. If you miss an appointment twice in a semester without canceling in advance, you'll be blocked from scheduling for that semester and only have access to Open Labs, our online drop-in service. Click the video at the top right or the link in the description to learn how to join our Open Labs. On our website, sjsu.edu/writing center, please see our policies and procedures for more information, located under Tutoring Services. We hope this video was helpful in walking you through our WCOnline scheduling site. If you have any questions about our services, feel free to call us at 408-924-2308 or visit us on the second floor of the Martin Luther King Jr. Library and we would be happy to help. If you want to stay updated on our services, feel free to sign up for our mailing list. Also, follow us on all of our socials. We hope to see you here at the SJSU Writing Center.